Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making Nigerian food, jola rice and fajita chicken. Easy and yummy recipe with less ingredients. Tomato 1 small size, red capsicum half, onion half small size. Make fine paste. Oil 4 tablespoon. Chopped onion half. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Now add tomato paste 1 tablespoon. Capsicum, tomato and onion paste. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon. Thyme half tablespoon. Ginger powder half tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Curry powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Now add soaked rice 1 cup. Water 1:2 ratio. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. My jola rice is ready. For fajita chicken, any color capsicum, chop like this. Onion 1 small size. Boneless chicken 200 grams. Cut like this. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoon. Boneless chicken. White pepper 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Red chili flakes 2 tablespoon. Taco seasoning 1 tablespoon. Optional. Mix everything. Keep aside. Now add capsicum, onion. Saute for 2 minutes. Salt as per taste. Pepper 1 tablespoon. Now add fried chicken. Mix and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.